In this video, let us see how to write the Verilog code for NOT gate using different styles of modeling. So different styles of modeling are, first one is gate level modeling, second one is data flow modeling, and the third style is behavioral modeling. So in this video, let us see how to write the code for gate level modeling. So NOT gate, this is a symbol for a NOT gate, and it has one input which is A and one output which is Y. So NOT is nothing but complement of input, so that's why Y is equal to A bar. So simply it will do the complement of input. Next, coming to the truth table will give the relationship between input and output. So we have one input which is A and output which is Y. So for one input there will be two combinations. So if number of inputs are 1, so the number of combinations are 2 power n, which is nothing but 2 power 1, which is 2. So the two combinations are 0 and 1. So output is nothing but complement of input. So that's why the complement of 0 is 1 and complement of 1 is 0. Okay, so complement of 0 is 1 and complement of 1 is 0. Now let us see how to write the Verilog code for this in gate level modeling. So coming to the code, so this is the syntax: module name. So here NOT underscore gate is called as module name. So then module, this is module name, and this is called as port list. Okay, so port list, which is nothing but Y and A. Now the line 3 and 4 indicates port declaration. Port declaration means among this Y and A, which one we are considering as input and which one we are considering as output should be declared here. So that's why this line number 3 and 4 indicates port declaration. Next, coming to the actual logic. So this implements the actual logic. So here by default I am going with primitive gates that are present in Verilog library. So that's why not some random name. Here I am using the random name which is x1, which can also be called as instance name, followed by output and input. Next, end module. So for every module there should be an end module. Now let us implement this code in Xilinx. So click on ISE Design Suite 14.7. Click on File, New Project. So let us give the name. So our name of the project is NOT underscore gate level modeling. Okay, the name of the project that I have given is NOT underscore gate level modeling. Click on next and finish. So first we have to write the source code. So in order to write the source code, right click on this, new source, choose Verilog module, file name. So file name that I am giving is NOT underscore gate level modeling. Click on next and finish. So here we have to write our code. So module name. So module name is NOT underscore gate level modeling. Next comes port list. Port list is output is Y, input is A. So as NOT gate has one input and one output, so here Y is called as output, A is called as input. So next comes port declaration. So port declaration, here output is Y, input is A. Next comes the actual logic. So directly I am using primitive gates. So as I am writing the code for NOT gate, so NOT some random name. So the random name that I am giving is x1, followed by output and input. Output is Y, input is A. Okay, and the last line is end module. Save it and synthesize. So process synthesis completed successfully. Next, click on view RTL schematic. So NOT gate. So NOT underscore gate level modeling is the module name that I have given. You can also view the technology schematic here. Double click on it. So here iBuff is called as input buffer, OBuff is called as output buffer. Next, let us test whether this is working fine or not. So in order to test it, we need to write the test bench. So to write the test bench, right click on it, new source, Now you have to choose here as Verilog text picture. I'm using the file name as not underscore gate level modeling underscore test bench. Next, next, and finish. So here module name and inputs will be treated as registers, output will be treated as wires, and here we have to instantiate the UUT, unit under test, means for what I am writing the code. So I am writing the code for NOT gate, so that's why I have to instantiate this particular line. So that's why I am going to source code, I am copying this first line and I'll paste it here, and let us give it some name. So the name that I'm giving is NOT gate. Next, between this initial, begin and end, so between this begin and end we have to give the text vectors. So text vectors should be given here. So as there is only one input, so two combinations. One is a is equal to 0, after that a will be 1. Save it. Okay, in order to see the result in console window, add a $monitor statement. So $monitor $time is used to print the simulation time. So output y is equal to %b, input a is equal to %b. Okay, so output is y, inputs are a. Save it, and in order to simulate it, in this design window, click on simulation, choose the particular test bench, elaborate ISAM simulator, double click on behavioral check syntax. So it is working fine. Next, click on simulate behavioral model. So here we are able to see the result. So let us see whether it is correct or wrong. So you can observe here, when input a is equal to 0, output y is equal to 1. So complement, correct. Next, when a is equal to 1, output y is equal to 0. Okay, working fine. So the same result you can view it in the form of text in this console window here. So here 0 and 100 indicate simulation time. So this is a way of writing Verilog code for a NOT gate in gate level modeling. I hope you have understood this. If you have understood what I have taught, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.